Good morning, guys. So I am feeling a lot better and good enough to film. I still have a swollen face. Oh, I didn't say. I had a tooth extraction on Friday. Today is Monday. It's a public holiday, so I'm not working. So I'm home recovering from this. My face is doing better. It's a little bit less swollen. It hurts a little bit, and I'm going to take my painkillers soon because I'm trying to minimize how much painkillers I take. So I allow myself to kind of take the pain until I really can't. Then I will take the painkillers because I don't want to get used to the painkillers. They're very, very strong one. They're prescription painkillers. You should not get so used to them. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm going to clean because I start work tomorrow. Even though, well, yeah. So I start work tomorrow, and my house is a mess because I couldn't clean in the weekend because I was recovering. So I'm gonna start with my room, my bedroom. I've been in bed since I woke up. I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything since I woke up, and I've been in bed. And right now it is 10:38. The sun is out, so it's good. So I'm gonna clean. I think I want to. I'm not sure. I wanted to sort out my wardrobe today because I did some filming a while ago, and I kind of excuse me, and I kind of moved some things, and some things that are not supposed to be up here, like the plain shirts and some things, and the t-shirt. Majority the t-shirts are down, and I moved a lot of stuff. Some things are here and not supposed to be here. So this is the other room. Well, I can say room. The other space for my clothes. I think now I need to put back some blazers where they're supposed to be. This is my favorite thing to clean the bathroom with. This is a brand. I don't know if it's all over Europe or if it's an international thing, but this is called Silite Bang. And fun fact, when I moved to Budapest, before I could find a job, when I was in like first year, I used to clean houses. First year, second year, I used to clean houses in Budapest, so I picked up a lot of tips and a lot of cleaning knowledge, because at that point sometimes you had to go to a client's house with your own products, and they didn't pay so much, so I needed to find products that a little goes a long way and it actually really works. But I will show you another one that I used to wipe my toilet, like the toilet itself, the toilet seat and stuff. This one, because it has disinfectant in it. This also has, and I like to use this one too because it has a smell. It has a very nice fragrance, so it leaves a fragrance in the bathroom and it leaves a fragrance in the toilet, and it cleans really well, especially the sink. Just spray it and leave it on for 5 minutes and just come and scrub, and it works. A quick tip: if you have like a gas or a cooker, gas cooker or electric cooker that has this glass top like this, the best way to keep it clean and keep it always sparkling and looking nice is to first use the normal kitchen soap and your sponge to better to use this one because it's not too hard that it kind of scratches the top, but it also not too soft, so it will do the job. So you put your kitchen soap and scrub, and then when you finish scrubbing, because you're taking out the excess oil or whatever, or cream or whatever is on the glass, and then you can then wipe that first, and then you can use the glass top cleaner, your glass top cleaner. I always recommend this one, and then spray on it and wipe, and it keeps it really, really shiny and really good. So I'm trying this new coffee. Well, not new. I've never had it before, so I wanted to try. Iced white mocha. So it's white chocolate with ice, whipped cream, and espresso with milk. But I'm lactose intolerant, so I asked for lactose-free milk, no whipped cream, and yeah, every other thing stays. And it tastes really good. Maybe a little too chocolatey for me. Voila! I finally finished cleaning. I am so tired. I didn't realize this was going to take this long. But we're done. Okay, so our video is done. I have just finished cleaning and I lost some strength and a cup of coffee because I poured it on the floor. I don't know what I was thinking, but the video is done and I'm done cleaning. Now I'm just gonna take a shower and actually just relax because I'm actually exhausted. But I did enjoy filming this video. I do enjoy cleaning. I'm one of those weird people that enjoy cleaning so it's like a stress reliever for me to clean and all that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you like videos like this, if you would like me to put out videos like this. Of course, an apartment tour is coming soon. I just really want to do it right. Like I want to get everything right for you guys, and I don't want it to be all over the place, so I need my friend to help me out with the filming, and he's not in town yet. So as soon as he gets back into town, that is going to be filmed and I will upload it. And yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.